The World Health Organization, WHO, has hailed it as one of the most important ways to prevent catching COVID-19. That is regular and effective hand hygiene. In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Jamila Pullen speaks to an expert about the proper way to do hand washing, as well as other do's and don'ts.
Hand sanitizers, bleach and alcohol are some of the items being used by persons to clean their hands to avoid the transmission of contracting COVID-19. Infectious diseases specialist Dr. Kathy Pate Robinson says while she understands that many persons are taking precautionary steps, there are some concerns about the things they use to clean their hands, for example, alcohol.
And remember that alcohol-based cleaners are harsher and they may dry the skin. And if the skin gets too dry, then you can make the skin less protective. So after using sanitizers, it's important to moisturize the skin so that you don't have the skin dry out and start to crack or peel and make you more at risk of infection.
Dr. Pate Robinson also warns against the use of bleach to sanitize your hands if you don't have to. She says bleach is very harsh because it is acidic and so it can damage your skin. Then there's the use of Lysol to spray other persons. Dr. Pate Robinson says Lysol is to be used to spray certain surfaces, but certainly not persons.
So please don't spray your passengers, your family, your friends, your patients, anybody with Lysol or these other spray cleaners. They're not going to change your risk, and they are going to put the other person at risk of allergic reactions and can even make them ill enough to go in hospital, and that has been happening.
The best way to wash your hands is by using soap and water, but when washing your hands, a particular technique should be followed for greater effectiveness.
What we want is for people to wash the entire hand, so the back of the hands, the front of the hands, in between the fingers, and remember under the nails, especially if the nails are long, you have creases there that will catch germs and keep them. So you want to engage in good hand washing for, I would say, 30 seconds to a minute, if you can, preferably a minute.
With our health report, I'm Jamila Pullen wishing you good health.